going to space right now. It's going to tilt back like you're going on the space shuttle.
All right.
Dead serious.
I didn't tell you the guy that put together that mission that I was just on. He named me the best crew member.
Yeah. So I said we'll tilt.
Okay. Do I need to lay my head back?
I would. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I expect nothing less. Here, put your leg. You can tilt it.
Oh my God, that's fun.
Well, that's it.
Well, that was good. Oh, that was fun, Daniel. That was good. Oh, aren't those cute? Oh my. Oh, that's good. That's real good.
Yeah. So, I mean, she's done the Sky Coaster, she's done Star Flyers now, so this was her first Slingshot.
Yep.
So.
Yeah, I'm ready. It's always been, if he did it, I did it.
Like I said, don't let your heels hit again.
Yeah, that hurt.
I haven't done that actually. Normally I'm flipping.
Oh
But that was
my God, that was really good.
That was like a drop tower.
Yeah, yeah.
That was cool. Well, there you go.
Oh.
Not bad, huh?
Not bad. You got some nice friends.
Yeah. Isn't this neat?
Oh,
Look at
this is
this. You see a
beautiful.
roller coaster over there. You see Starflyer here. You're on a
See a
ride.
roller coaster way in the distance there. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful place. Almost makes up for the heat and humidity, huh?
Almost.
You know what I've always thought that you'd be really good at? If you went to helicopter pilot school, became a helicopter pilot for news or something like that. I've always thought you'd be good at something like that. Does that interest you?
I mean, I don't know.
You never thought about it before, did you?
No.